Namaste, I'm Pratna. Welcome to Divine Shiv Shankar Tarot. Today I'm going to do reading for all the water signs, that is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So starting with Cancer, welcome to your reading. Let us see what are the events awaiting for you in the month of September. I'm going to pull the overall energy for you for the month of September. So your overall energy for the month of September is Lovers. Okay, there is a lot of positive things happening around you. If you are in love with someone, that person is going to come into your life and they are asking you for a date, and there is a lot of harmony in your family, in your love relationship, or you are a crush, or there is a harmonious relationship. You both are going to meet each other and express your love feelings, and though the love is mutual, I think you haven't met and told that person that you love them, and I think that person is coming towards you and telling you that they are in love with you. They are expressing their love for you. Okay, let us see first the career. And in your career front, there is a lot of people who are helping you. They are taking care of you. Okay, 6 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles and 2 of Wands. Okay, in your career, I think there is a lot of improvements. There is a lot of financial abundance coming in your way in the month of September. I think you are traveling, and while traveling you will earn a lot of money, and there are opportunities from outside that you are getting from in about the job. Okay, I think you will travel to other countries for job. That's what I feel. And there is lot of family support and equal give and take for you for this month of September in the career, job and education. Your education is improving. I think there is you want to take education, you want to you want to take some next level education, I feel over here for some, and you are taking that decision in the month of September. I think you are going for education on the for the overseas. I think some people are going overseas for their education or job. Okay, that's what I feel over here. Okay, your love life is the Devil. I think there are some addictions, or there is some fear for you, or there are people who are not letting you to take other steps for your love life. So it's for you, or it is your addiction. I think you are addicted to certain patterns in your life, in the personal friend, or there are people with you karmically connected and you can't take your love life to the next level. So take care of the the actions you take towards your love life in the month of September. The Queen of Swords, there is clarity coming to you. As I told you over here, your person is getting clarity, and on the basis of that clarity they are coming towards you and they are telling that yes, they are in love with you. I think they are leaving some karmic situation behind and breaking those patterns in the month of September, and they are coming towards you and telling that yes, I love you and please accept me, because they're as you are financially and the job, career is everything is good in the month of September. Even your love life is moving on to a next level over here. And even for in the career front, I feel there is a boss or a person, elder person, who is giving you an opportunity to move forward. They are now seeing you, now they are balancing. Might be in the past they were not giving you these opportunities, but now they are willing to give you or help you in this matter. Okay, might be you are giving some, tutorials for students who were asking you, but you weren't giving them some tutorials. Might be this in this month you are becoming a teacher and giving some students some tutorial, equal give and take. Okay. And in a love, there is a clarity. A queen of swords, might be it's an air sign. Your person is an air sign or an earth sign, a Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or an Aquarius. Okay, might be that person is elder to you or you are elder to this person. Yeah, the Fool, they are taking a leap of faith towards you because they want clarity now. They don't want to be in the, past hurts or past in anymore. They are taking that step towards you and coming towards you. They are taking steps for, in the love life. There is some positive changes coming to you. There is some clarity coming towards you. And in the family also, might be there are some person who are, sharp with their words, and you are taking, trips to somewhere so that you can change some environment in the family friend. I think there are people or children who are addicted to something, and you are taking care of them. You are coming to know their addictions in the family friend, and you are taking them out and taking a fresh air, and you are taking a positive attitude towards that child. Okay, in the family friend, I feel. And you want to start everything new fresh in the family friend. Okay, your person is already ready. They are ready to take a leap of faith. Might be there is some religion difference or something like that, or distance. Might be there is some distance between you, or there is no communication. But there is, in this month of September, there is a communication, but a clear communication, a clear cut communication. Okay, let us see your health. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles, you are very much in your strength in the month of September. You are, you're taking, as you told you are planning something. You are going to overseas, and there is, you are investing upon your good health for the month of September. You are in your own power in the month of September. Yeah, the soulmate, there is very harmonious, balance about your mind, body, soul. So don't worry, Cancer, for the month of September. Your health is all right, your career is right, and your love life is also going to be right, and your family is also going to be like very nice, because the overall energy for you is the Lovers card, and there is a lot of harmony coming your way in the month of September for you. Okay, so don't worry. I would like to clarify the Two of Wands for you. What is, okay, there is a transformation. Yeah, there is a transformation for you. There is a change in a career or a job situation, or the education. You might be changing something, some routine patterns you are changing. There is a lot of transformation going on for you in the month of September, and you are going to decide. Okay, there is a decision you are taking towards your career, and that would be the King of Pentacles. There is a lot of money coming your way, my dear friends, and there are people who are helping you to take a courageous next step towards your career, education, or any job. If you want to change a job, there is an overseas job opportunity coming towards you, so accept it if you want. And at the end of the day, it's your decision to be taken. So but there is a lot of opportunities, and you are like this King of Pentacles in the month of September. So don't lose any opportunities, positive opportunities coming towards you. Think twice and take the decisions wisely in the month of September. We shall see some Oshos and cards for you. Okay, this came friendliness. Okay, friendliness. There is a harmonious situation, as I told you earlier. There are a lot of people helping. I think there is a twin flame situation going on over here, and you are in a friendly, uh, there is a friendly change in your love life or in your job somewhere. There are harmonious changes coming your way. Yeah, existence, Ace of Cups. You are getting that new beginning in the month of September, Cancer. The Fool, again the Fool card, twice the Fool card came for you. There is a lot of leap of faith coming towards you. You have to take a leap of faith towards your person, or your person is taking a leap of faith towards you. If it is from the both the sides, it is always going to be a positive outcome. So take a leap of faith, and whether it's a career, family, love life, or your health, take a leap of faith, because there is a positive changes for you this month. Okay, yeah, letting go, something you have to let go, because if it is not if you are in a past and you're not letting go some hurts, then it is not taking you anywhere, my dear friends, in the month of September. The source, there is a source. Didn't I tell you there are people who are helping you, and there are resources. Your health is good, your love life is improving, your family is improving, everything is very perfect in the month of September for you to take action. So Cancer, take your own time, take all the resources and let go which is not serving you, and take action in the month of September. Let me see some advice cards for you for the month of September. What are the advice for the month of September for Cancer? Yeah, a new start is coming. Okay, what else you want? Confirmation. There is a new start in everything, every aspect of your life. Career, love, health, each and every aspect is blooming. Okay, so be courageous and take wisely all the decisions. Believe in impossible. Something impossible is going to be possible in the month of September. You might be seeing that there is no possibilities, but there is a possibilities, because impossible itself says I am possible. Okay, let us see your blessings. Unicorn blessings for the month of September, Cancer. Unicorn blessings for the month of September for Cancer. Unicorn blessings for the month of September, Cancer. Wisdom, yeah, wisely. Did I tell you to take decisions wisely there? Because act with wisdom and people will respect you. There is a lot of wisdom, there is a lot of people helping you, and if you do so, there is a respect and health, wealth, everything coming your way in the month of September. Seeking good, look for good in your current situation. Might be you are not letting go some past, as the let go card came to you, and you have to let go some past hurts. Don't be in this mood anymore, so please take care of it and let the past be in the past and move forward. Take decisions wisely, and you can discover something new in your life, because you have all the resources. Everyone are helping you in the month of September, so seek some help from or guidance from someone, so that you are helped. Okay, spirit messages for you. Trust. Your logical mind is dictating a supposedly clear direction. Your soul inner guidance is urging you to follow an alternative path. The logical path may be one that you consider safe, more familiar, but you could be missing out on boundless opportunities, so much more. Okay, don't be in your comfort zone. Come out of it, because there is a path you feel that is comfort, but it's not. There is another path which is giving you a lot of abundance. Okay, the King of Pentacles there, a Lover's card. There is a lot of abundance around you. Don't miss around that, Cancer. Take a leap of faith. Okay, there is a risk to be taken. If you take that risk, there is the rest of your life is all positive. Okay, this was the spirit guidance for you, so think about it. So trust everything, whatever you want to do. Don't trust others. Okay, or there is a comfort zone which you are trusting. Don't trust it. See out of the boundary, see out of the box what is there for you. there is a lot of opportunities for you. Change your life, a sudden revelation that offers freedom. Break free of procrastination. Embrace the opportunities that changes bring. I think this card came to almost all the zodiac signs. There is a lot of changes happening to all of you. I think that's one thing you have to take. There are a lot of changes, my dear friends, you all have to take, and those changes are for the positivity, and you are not seeing it because you want to be in your comfort zone. So take that step and take the risk wisely and move forward. The page of Ariel, you are clever, educated, an excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Didn't I tell there is an opportunity? You have been offering something for someone, okay? So take that opportunity in the month of September, okay? Scholarships or the pursuit of education, sorry time to get to work, time to get to work. Okay, take your own decision. There is something scholarship, there are a lot of unending joy coming your way, so don't stop now. Move forward with your own wisdom and guidance and take a risk, my dear friends. Don't stop in the month of September. Cancerians, sorry. Okay, Cancerians, these were your reading. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and comment on my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste, Scorpio. Welcome to your reading, and I'll be doing your reading for the month of September, and let us see what are the events coming your way in the month of September. I'll be pulling your overall energy for the month of September. So let's see overall energy, the Devil card. Okay, there is a lot of addiction, or you're overdoing a lot of work in your home and in your office, and there is a lot of overburden you are taking. Okay, you are doing work but you are overdoing or overtelling, and you might be in this situation, or there is something bad, I don't say bad, but yeah, there is something ups and downs in your family, friend. Might be your partnership is not going well, might be you are in a partnership but it's not a good partnership, you feel. It might be a business partnership also, it can be a karmic partnership also, and there is no tuning in between you and your partner. It can be a marriage life, it can be a love life, or a career life. Okay, that's what I feel over here. And I feel for some there is a lot of addictions. Might be you are drinking a lot in the month of September, and that is what you have to take care about. Okay, there is a lot of disturbance around you, and you should take mentally and physically take care of your health. And there are people who are envious, jealous about you and your job, and might be they are coming in between your connection or your job, career, education, and all aspects of your life is um, being affected by some person around you. So be careful. Might be this person is a Capricorn. Okay, and or somewhere in your chart it will you are a Capricorn. So take very well good care of yourself, and see what all is going around your surroundings. Okay, so don't overindulge in things, doing things, doing home chorus works, or doing whatever you are doing, but don't overdo it a lot, or don't talk a lot, my dear friends, in the month of September. I think for some I am getting that you have to be silent in the month of September. Okay, it can lead to something bad, where you tell something and it can't be taken back, right? So be careful while you talk in the month of September. So let us see your career, job, or education for the month of September. Career, job, education month for the month of September for Scorpios. Yeah. there is a harmonious relationship in your career, job and educational. There is an atmosphere which is being created, and I think your mother father is helping you to connect with your education. Might be, I feel that some of you have left your education in a halfway, and now you are wanting to join some courses or something like that. You want to do something in your life now, and now your parents or your or your partner, your loved ones or your love interest is helping you out for your career and education. Okay, they want to take that forward for you. They want to give you a helping hand emotionally also, and they want to stand and support you also for your career. Okay, and for me, I feel that there is a person who loves you and wants to bring you some job opportunities which you can do very well in that. They want to improve your business, they want to improve your career or education, whatever it is. They want to give and take. Okay, they are helping you a lot in the month of September. Yeah, there is a lot of offer, and those offers are divinely guided and protected by angels over here. Yeah, judgment. There is a judgment for you. Might be you were stuck in the past, as I told you. Here, the devil energy. There is a lot of people around you who are not honoring your hobbies or your whatever you want to take in your career basis. They are not encouraging, but in the month of September you are showing them all the your worth. Okay, because here the angel over here is blessing you with all the wishes coming true in the month of September. Not even your family, but or even your career, your health, everything is going to be full of brightness and blessings, my dear friends, in the month of September. Only thing is you shouldn't overdo things in the month of September. That's it. And what else for the month of September for Scorpios about their career? Okay, the Tower moment. There are things which you don't want. I think the you are coming out of these addictions, and people for what they are, and you are trying to figure out people who don't serve you, and you are doing your own work. There is a changes coming for you. Okay, there are the judgment card and the tower card is telling me that there is a rebirth and renovation in your life. I think the old things which weren't serving you are crushing down. Everything is new now. You have to build it for yourself now. You are building your career in the month of September. You are doing education which you wanted to do in the month of September. You are doing the courses which you want to take in the month of September. It's all happening for you in the month of September. The only thing is you have to take the step forward. Okay, let's see your love life for the month of September. Your love life, family, your crush, whatever the scenario is, let us see what's there for you for the month of September. For the month of September, Scorpio, love life, family life, crush. Okay, Ace of Cups. There is a person who is coming in your life with a lot of opportunities. It can be a business opportunity over here, as I told you earlier. It can be a love offer. They want a new beginning with you. Might be this is a past person who never told their emotions to you. Anyhow, they didn't show their emotions to you, but this month they are going to show you gestures. They are going to show you a lot of emotions, and they are coming towards you to tell that, yeah, I love you, buddy, I love you a lot. Okay, I'm sorry. I was just okay. They are telling you that they love you a lot, and they want a family and stable relationship for themselves and you also with them in the future. Okay, there is a lot of healing happening, okay, because of this offer. There is a lot of healing coming. There is a win-win situation for you in the month of September. That's what I feel. Yeah, the moon card. You are taking the steps, you are might be, I told you earlier, there are people who are, there who don't want this connection to happen for you, and they are coming your way. Might be there is a person, or partner, your partner's person, they don't want you to be in this connection. There are a lot of secrets. Might be they gossiped up, might be some people gossiped about you, or they told you something about you to the other person, and the connection got disconnected. That's why I felt that there was, that's a past person and you don't have a connection. I think there is a long distance also over here. I feel there is a long distance connection, and religion difference, and but lot of differences over here, and they took advantage of it and they separated you. And there is a lot of, secrets around you in this month. So figure it out, my dear friends. And you are, as the moon card over here, I feel that you are intuitively very much aware in the month of September. There are secrets coming out, and you know your way, and you are traveling out towards your goal, okay. This person might come to know, or your person might come to know, or you might come to know some secrets about others, what they did at the back, okay. That's what I feel. Something is coming out, something you are coming to know. Might be this, this month or the next month, you are coming to know something about it. Yeah, this person sees you as a queen of pentacles. They see you having your career right, having everything right, and you are a person who is down to earth, and you patiently see all the people. You treat everyone one, okay. You don't treat all others differently. I think your person knows your worth. They see from all the shades. Might be they know that you are a hard worker, and they know that you work hard towards your goal. And yeah, though people are talking behind you, they know your worth, they know what you are, but they are silent, like this person here. They see you as a queen of pentacles. They want a family with you. Yeah, they want to bring stability. They want to, I think for some, I feel they want to bring some gifts to you, to you know to honor you, to admire you, okay. These are the gestures you have to see, because I think for some, they speak a lot from their eyes over here. The soulmate card, there is a lot of love and affection and respect towards you from this person. This person can be a water sign, can be you know uh, like you, a water sign or an earth sign. It can be anywhere in their chart, or an earth sign. It can be anywhere in their chart, sun, moon, rising, okay. That's what they want. They want stability with you. They want, if they, for some, I feel, if they haven't told you that they are in love with you, they want to express it to you, but they are a bit slow, okay. They want to figure it out. As the moon card over, I told you about the secrets. They want to figure out something and then come to you clearly and tell, okay, that yeah. And for some, I feel there is an improvement in the financial background. There is a lot of improvement coming to you, and there is a female who is coming towards you to help you financially. For some, I feel that. So okay, let us see about your health. Before that, I would like to clarify the moon card for you. Please clarify the moon card for me, for Scorpio. Please clarify. Okay, the Queen of Swords. Yeah, there is clarity. As I told you, there is something, there is a clarity for you on whatever you are thinking about your person, it can be, or the person knowing clarity about your connection. There is the clarity, they are getting this clarity, and but they are a bit slow. Okay, so please be patient about your person. And yeah, they are coming towards you with the clarity, they want clarity, because people are behind you are talking a lot about you, they are gossiping, and they don't want this connection to happen, because this connection is divinely there, and they don't want to happen. Okay, and even in the family also there is a lot of harmony, and even if there is a conflict in the family, I think this is going to be resolved in the month of September for you, Scorpio. Yeah, might be there are people who are affecting your family life also, and they are being cut out, and they you are going to know what people are around you in the month of September. That clarity you are getting. Okay, that's what I feel. Yeah, let's see about your health for Scorpio in the month of September. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. You are very much grounded, you are mentally balanced, you are physically balanced, and everything is nice about you. You are filled with gifts, people are gifting you something in the month of September, and you are happy around, and people around you are also happy. There is a lot of abundance in the health, and health is improving for you in the month of September, so no need to worry. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Family life is happy, everything is going to be happy, there is fulfillment of something, and your health is improving, and because of that your family members are happy with you. Okay, and for some I feel that there is you might be there is a long health issues which are resolved in this month. This is Nine of Pentacles and this is Ten of Pentacles. Okay, as you see here, 9 and then 10, so 10 is completion. There is something which is going to end, the health issues, the bad health issues are going to end in the month of September, or for some I feel there is a cure coming your way in the month of September. Okay, so don't worry. And for some I feel you are concerned about an elder person in your family, or animals in your family, you're concerned about them, but everything is going to be good. Okay, I think I think your partner is very much concerned about your health, and your health is going to improve in the month of September, so be happy about it. You are taking a lot of diet, you are taking a lot of you're taking care about yourself, you are in your own power. Yeah, the Empress. You are manifesting your health in the month of September. You know what to do about your health. You are coming out of this devil energy. You are silent like this queen. You are sitting on the throne, and everybody knows what you want. Okay, that's what I feel. This speaks a volume to me, and you also in the month of September, Scorpio. So health is very nice, so be balanced and achieve whatever you want to achieve. And once your mind and body is balanced, you can your intuition is improved. So I feel that there is a lot of improvements in your health. Let us see some Osho Zen messages for you, Osho Zen cards for you. What does Osho Zen wants to tell Scorpio in the month of September? Okay, rightness. Yeah, there is a hard work which is paid off in the month of September. You have done a lot of hard work, and that's what is showing up in the September, and you are rewarded in the month of September. Okay, Scorpio, receptivity. Didn't I tell you, take a time, meditate, be peaceful. Okay, don't over talk, be silent in the month of September, and there is a lot of receptivity, there is a lot of positivity coming your way in the month of September. Innocence. Yeah, you have to be silent, because everything is taken care by the nature, and nature itself is going to give answers for you in all the way. Okay, so be innocence is that you know everything, but yet you are in your peace. Okay, you are living things for universe to happen for you. Yeah, projections. Project right. Here the devil. If you project the devilish deeds, there is a devilish deed in your surroundings. And if you project positive things to yourself, there is a positive changes in your life. So projection is very important. What you project, you if you are weak and you project outside that you are a lion, then you are my dear friends. Okay, so projection is very important, that positive affirmation. Okay, that one positive affirmation changes everything. Okay, beyond illusion, the moon card over here. Beyond the illusion, you are seeing there is a clarity, as I told you, coming your way. So you are seeing everything beyond the illusion, and you have to see it. For that you have to be you know calm, composed in the month of September. Okay, let us see what are the advice for you, Scorpio, in the month of September. Advices for Scorpio in the month of September. Don't let pride get your way. Okay, I feel here some of you Scorpios are very pride. Over here, the devil card. I think you are very pride. You show pride to people that you do all the work, or and you are the one who does, and nobody appreciates it, and you are very prideful. Okay, and this pride is coming your way in the month of September. So be calm, composed, meditate, and don't let pride come your way in the month of September, because pride, ruins everything in the life. Pride is, might be you have pride of what you have, or you might be pride of your beauty or your education or whatever it is, or you might be pride of your strength. Okay, over here, lion, might be your pride of your strength. So please don't do that. Don't show pride. Okay, be patient with yourself and others too in the month of September. What else? Advice. Okay, nothing is set in stone. Okay, there are things which you can change in your life. You can bring positivity. Here the devil card, the both the persons are changed. Nothing is stopping you to break those chains. Okay, sorry. uh, you are able to move forward because your hands are free over here. You can move forward, so nothing is yet on the stones. Okay, you can go miles and miles and miles, and you can achieve your goal. Only thing is you have to leave your pride. Let us see unicorn blessings for you for the month of September, Scorpio. Unicorn messages for you for the month of September. Okay, this came. Future 11. Let go of past and move forward. Yeah, there are past hurts, or something went wrong in the past. Someone hurt you, or your partner hurt you, or there is an addiction going on. Whatever it is, leave it to the past and move forward. This future man is moving forward. 11. Okay, there is a lot of positive things happening, so let the past go and move forward and achieve your goal. Let's see what else for Scorpio for the month of September. Two of Gabriel. Make bold and ambitious choices. Great progress is possible. Important relationship with people who share your vision. Okay, suppose there are people who don't appreciate you, don't worry about them. See for people who appreciate your abundance, appreciate your creativity and everything, and those people are important in your life, so keep them in your life. And don't think about people who are talking about you or gossiping about you, or who are jealous, envious about you, and let them be in the past. Okay, and Yeah, take steps, take choices which are always there in your hands. So make choices, make proper choices. Just a second, my dear friends, I will pull another blessing card for you, as I did for all. Another blessing card for Scorpios. Yeah, aspiration, you are unlimited, so aim for the stars. Okay, nobody can stop you to achieve those stars. All the stars of are for you, they're waiting up. Okay, wish upon a star, they tell you, don't they? Yeah, so you can have the star. The star is not, the sky is not a limit to you. Okay, everything you can achieve, so don't doubt yourself. These are the blessings. What else for Scorpio? Make choices. Okay, don't be in a, see beyond the illusion. Don't be in two paths. Two paths lead you nowhere. Determination, self, the Chariot card, the victory card. Okay, at the last there is a new direction for you coming, so please take steps towards your career, love and family, or whatever new changes you want to do about your health. You can do it, you can move forward. It's a big S card for you in the month of September. And if you do this in the September, it will continue. Okay, it has to continue, the positivity has to continue. So the month of September is telling you to take all positive steps for yourself, my dear friends. There is a lot of career advancements and success, and people are acknowledging your success now. Okay, if they haven't acknowledged in the past, they are acknowledging your success in this month. They want to tell you that you are the best. Okay. Yeah, two of Michael. It will be better if you just make a decision. Over analyzing a problem, find a compromise. Okay, if you feel that your work is not going anywhere, or you are being, in a low vibration, or people are driving you mad, so don't be. Okay, take your own time, do decisions, make choices over here. As I told you, you have to do some choices, do it, and everything is going to be okay. So there are some compromise to be made in the, career or love life or the family life, whatever you feel like. You have to take some decisions are to be made. Stop over analyzing problems. Okay, stop it. Let's see your spirit messages for the month of September, Scorpio. Spirit messages for the month of September for Scorpio. Yeah, ancestral wisdom. You are, sorry, we are your ancestors and we love you. We walked the earth many years before you. We ask you at this poignant time to learn and grow from your past experiences. You are our legacy. We will keep and helping you as we continue to evolve here in the spirit world. Okay, ancestors are with you, they are helping you no matter what path you are walking, they are with you. Okay, they want you to help, and if you seek help, they are with you always. Okay, Scorpios, these were your reading. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Please comment on my channel if you liked your reading. And if you are new, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Namaste. Namaste Pisces, welcome to your reading. Today I am going to do your September reading. What are the events awaiting for you in the month of September? So I will be pulling your overall energy for the month of September, Pisces. Your overall energy is, okay, Seven of Cups. There is a lot of choices to be made. There is a lot of confusions. There are people confusing you, and you are perplexed which way to go, and you're not able to decide what to do. And yeah, there is lot of choices. They you want to make choices. Might be it is there are many suitors for you in love relationship, or might be there is offers coming you for the job. There is a lot of offers and you don't know which way to go. And in the month of September, Pisces, I think you should make some choices. So this is your overall energy. Okay, let us see your career first, please. Career for Pisces for the month of September. Okay, the Devil card, the Fool card, and the Three of Swords. Okay, you are doing your own business in the month of September. You don't want people who are hurting you in your life. You are taking your own leap of faith in your life. It can be your job, people who are not, they are not acknowledging your, worth. They might feel that okay, what if she is doing that, what if he is doing that. They are a bit annoyed about your career or job or education, but you are in your own adventurous and freedom. You are in your own freedom. You know what to do, which steps to take. Like a fool, you are moving forward, no, without seeing these people. Okay, without people around you are always backstabbing you, and they create all nonsense around you. But no, you are walking away from them in the month of September. You don't want them anymore in your life. That is not affecting you in any way in the month of September. And you are taking your job seriously. Okay, like the Devil energy here. Might be people didn't like it in the past, and now because you are in your own energy, in a freedom energy, people want to sabotage your career, or they don't want to take what you want to take forward. And but no, you are telling them no. It's a clear no. Okay, and you are taking your own time for your career, and you are telling them, look, I am going to achieve something, and you people can't confuse me in the month of September. People can't confuse you. Okay, they can't sabotage your career or education or a job, whatever it is. They can't take it from you, because you are a free spirit in the month of September, and you are in your own superpower. Okay, nobody can tell you to do what you want. You shouldn't be doing this, Pisces, or you shouldn't be doing that, Pisces. It doesn't serve you. This doesn't serve you. No, you are not. You are not doing that in the month of September, Pisces. You are in your own superpower. Okay, you know your powers now, and nobody can sabotage you anyway. Okay, they can't take the peace from you. I want to clarify the Three of Swords for you. Yeah, the Queen of Wands. There are people who want, you know they don't want you to take any actions. Might be there is Yeah, you are a very much healthy. Your perspective is different now. You are telling no to people. You are telling no to some situations, and you are taking charge of your own in the month of September, and your health is going to be damn good. Yeah, you are working upon your health, and you know that it is going to, just a second, I'm sorry, the candle. Yeah, you are working upon your energies in the month of September, and you might have invested a lot on your health, and your health is improving day by day. Okay, slowly it is improving. Your health is going to be damn good in the month of September. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. You are doing multitask in the month of September. You do, but I think you should take some rest also in the month of September. You are doing a lot of work in the month of September. You are juggling for finances, for your health, or something like that, or you are helping someone to get to their health better. I think you are, might be there are people around you who are not well, and you are also not well, and you are juggling them. So don't worry, in the month of September, everything is going to be good, okay? Whatever the negativity is there in your mind, body, soul, everything is going to be vanished, okay? So let us see Osho Zen cards for you for the month of September. Osho Zen cards for you for the month of September. Pisces, Osho Zen cards for you for the month of September. Okay, yeah, rebirth. Here there is a lot of, as I told you, choices or confusions. There is a rebirth. You don't want to be. You are telling a no. Okay, to no to bad situation, and you are taking a rebirth in all of your life aspect. You don't want to be in the old, you don't want to be in an old situation anymore. You want to move forward and do something. You want to achieve something in your life in the month of September. Moment to moment. Take as the time goes, go with the flow. Go with the flow, and everything you will achieve. Okay. Don't try to stop anyone or anybody, because they are going to do their work, or don't stop the time. Okay. It Some events are going to happen, they are going to happen, even though you have confusions or choices, but universe is going to do its work. So take your time, and be calm, composed, and everything is going to flow easy. Okay. New vision. Yeah, in the month of September, as I told you, you are taking a new vision. The Fool card over here, you are taking a leap of faith. You know that luck is on your side, and you know that what you want to achieve, you are doing it in the month of September. Control. You are controlling, you are taking the Chariot card. Okay, for me this is a Chariot card. You are taking your career, love life, family life, or the health in a new direction. You are seeing a new perspective. Okay, you are removing the old resentment, whatever it is. Completion. Yeah, there is a completion. You are, no matter what people tell, or what they do, or what they see, whatever they see, it doesn't mind you. You are doing your work, and you are completing it. Okay, in the month of September. Silence. Oh God. Silence. Silence speaks volume. So be silent and do your work in the month of September, because when you are silent and you are in your own power, there is something, some way coming to you, and spiritual help or ancestral help, something is coming your way, and boom, that is going to help you a lot. Okay, so be silent, contemplate. Here, the Moon card over here, your instincts are telling you something. So, here, your instincts in the month of September. Okay, your instincts are high, so they are speaking to you. Your instincts are speaking to you. Let us see some card for Spices. Sorry, I told Spices. It's Spices. Okay. Pisces, for the month of September. Set out of your comfort zone. Didn't I tell you? There is something comfort zone around you and you don't want to, break it or something like that. And yeah, in the month of September, you are breaking through and telling people no, no, nobody can stop me to do whatever I want to do, or whatever I want to achieve. If something is wrong, it's wrong. Okay, you are letting people know that you can also draw a boundary in the month of September. Okay, step out from your comfort zone. Nothing is yet set in stone. Okay, there is a lot of work to be done, and nothing can stop you doing that, because there are miles and miles to be achieved, and you are going to achieve in the month of September. Okay, nobody can stop you for doing what you want to do. Okay, let us see your unicorn blessings for the month of September. What does angels, unicorns want to bless you in the month of September? Soul satisfaction. Aim for that which makes you soul rejoice. Okay. Do what you want to do in the month of September, Pisces. That's the only joy you are going to get in the month of September. Okay. You are your soul. You and your soul connection is going to be, your instincts and intuition are very high in the month of September, and they are telling you to be rejoice. Okay, take your own time and do what you love to do, not for others, for yourself. Okay. Divine side. See the divine in everyone. Okay, see the divine in everyone, because everyone has their life's journey, and might be by from someone you might learn some lessons, or you might get some way, or some insight. You might get some insights also. Okay, so respect everyone, yourself first, and yeah, there are miracles happening in around you, because unicorns are blessing you and telling you to see God in everyone, because they are in the form of God. Even a child in our life teaches us a lot of things, so don't neglect. Okay, there is something divine, divine is telling you something, so give your ears or keep your eyes open. Something is coming your way, so see good things in everyone. Okay, don't talk bad about them, or don't speak ill about others, because everybody has their own thing to say. The King of Michael. Okay, principled, rational, ambitious, and respected. Okay, you are gaining your respect in the month of September, because you're doing your own work and you know what you want to do in the month of September, Pisces. Okay, wisdom and objectivity. Just a second. Okay, sorry. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. Stay in your integrity. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Okay, it might be your love life or anything for that matter. Take what resonates. Everything stands upon a communication. Okay, so your communication has to be clear, and everything will happen for you in the month of September. So be optimistic and realistic, and have the wisdom to have the courage to take the wisdom. Okay, take proper steps for your career, or your any aspects of your life, my dear friends. Okay, that's what this card is telling. But the communication has to be honest. Okay, strength and grace through kindness, self-confidence, and forgiveness. You have to forgive some people, and you don't have to use your strength on others. You should be kind, and your kindness is your strength in the month of September. So be kind and don't show strength on others. Okay, the strength in yourself is immense. So be happy with yourself and show that strength and courage for yourself so that you can move forward and forgive people who have hurt you. Two of Gabriel. Yeah, there are some choices. Already I told you over here there is a confusion or choices to be made, and two of Gabriel is telling you you have to make choices because you can't take all the things. But once you make a choices, there is a positive changes coming around in the month of September. So yeah, you can't take two paths to walk. You have to walk on one path and take that path honestly towards your goal. Okay, might be there are two people you want to choose in your love life, or there is job opportunities which you have to choose, or a career or education opportunities. So share your vision with others so that you can make progress. There is a great progress if you make choices, and if you be in a confusion state, but then nothing is going to go anywhere. Believe the force that works through your soul, determining what's possible or impossible, the difference between success over failure, and above all, who you are is the power of your belief. Okay, you have to believe that there is something good happening around you and people are helping you, and you have to believe that you are a true soul and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in the month of September. So believe yourself. Okay, and that belief is bringing you a light within. You are enlightened once you believe that you can do and you can achieve everything. Then nobody can stop you. Okay, Pisces. Okay, this is where you are reading, Pisces, in the month of September, for the month of September. Hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Namaste.